What's up? It's your boy Get Kilos, aka Brother Budget, and today I got a budget build with a quality firearm. I'm gonna run today the Gideon optic. Now this Gideon optic is kind of SRO-ish, okay? Not only that, it has reticles pretty much like the holograms of a EOTech or a Holosun. And today we're gonna also run some of that good old Underwood ammo. It's 147 grain plus P. Let's see how she hold up. So, back from shooting this bad boy, and as you can see, it's still tight. All right, this one here has an adapter that goes in through the dovetail of the rear sights, and held up good, very accurate as you can see.